In this video, I will show you how to convert the number of decimal seconds to Excel time like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have the number of seconds in this column. Now I want to convert this number of seconds to Excel time. For example, the first value is 60 seconds, so the Excel time should be 12:01 am. Similarly, the third value is 36,000 seconds or 10 hours, so the Excel time should be 10 am. But before we do that, we need to understand how time is handled in Excel. Excel stores time as a fractional value of one day having 24 hours. So 1 hour of time is 1 divided by 24 and 12 hours of time is 12 divided by 24, which is 0.5. There are 60 minutes in each hour and 60 seconds in each minute. So there are a total of 24 into 60 into 60 seconds, which equals 86,400 seconds in a day. So 1 second of time is 1 divided by 86,400 and 60 seconds is 60 divided by 86,400. So to convert decimal seconds to time, we need to divide the number of seconds by 86,400, which is the total number of seconds in one day. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now select the cell containing the number of seconds. Type the division operator slash followed by the number 86,400. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we got numbers instead of time. That is because we still need to format these values as time. To do that, select all these cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the Type text box and then type HH:MM, a space and then AM/PM as the format. This format will output time like the number of hours followed by a colon, followed by the number of seconds, followed by AM or PM text. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have Excel time converted from the number of seconds. If the number of seconds is greater than the total number of seconds in a day, which is 86,400, time rolls over, as we can see from row numbers 4 and 5. For example, the fourth row has 86,400 seconds, which is equal to 1 day, so the time remains the same as 12 am. Similarly, the fifth row has 86,700 seconds, which is equal to 1 day and 5 minutes, so the time becomes 12:05 am. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.